Hi friends, good morning. Good morning to all. Myself, introductions. My name is Nakul Singh. I am a government employee of Indian government, and my new initiative is to cover modern history to keep in mind for mains writing in the UPSC and the state PCS examinations. And please comments. After watching my videos, how do you feel to cover of the modern history syllabus? And thanks for watching these videos if you like it, and further get motivation to me for uploading more videos. Thanks a lot. And my new initiative is to the first chapter of the modern history is to advent of Europeans. The first chapter starting as is considered of the modern history was is the advent of Europeans, and that is first Europeans who come to India is the Portuguese. You must have heard about the Vasco da Gama came to India in 1498 at the Calicut, and my first chapter covering advent of Europeans, Portuguese. Now let us start. As we know, beginning of European commerce, dominance of Arab traders in Asia and the Italians in the Europe. At initially, before the Portuguese came to India, in that particular span of time, the dominance of the Arab traders in the Asia and the Italians in Europe. Highly profitable trade, but in 15th century, in the year 1453, Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, Istanbul. So the Turks dominated all the land routes passing through his empires. That's the reason why Europeans started finding new trade routes passing through the seas. In a summary, we can understand that before the Portuguese arrived in the India, in that particular times, in the year 1453, Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, Istanbul, and the Turk dominated all the land routes passing through their empires. That's why the region Europeans started finding new trade routes passing through the seas. Now the finding of the sea routes, Spain and Portuguese took the initiatives. Scientific discoveries and the Renaissance made it possible to find new sea routes. Some facts: Bartholomew Diaz, first Portuguese to reach southern point of North Africa, named as the Cape of Good Hope. In 1492, Columbus, hails from the Spain, reached America while discovering India. It was named as America after Amerigo Vespucci, that is Italian, reached there through the same route discovered by the Columbus. In 1498, Vasco da Gama discovered India through the sea route. And in 1519, Ferdinand Magellan started the first circumnavigation of the earth. European trades with Africa. European entered Africa also in mid 15th century. European traded gold, ivory, and the slaves. That is called the triangular trades of the gold, ivory, and the slaves in the Africa region. And the sequence which we arrived of the Europeans in India is short forms the PDEF: Portuguese, Dutch, British या English या French. Now we comes to point as Vasco da Gama reached Calicut on 20 May 1498. Jamorin, the Hindu king, welcomed him. Jamorin means sea king. Jamorin is a designation of that particular Hindu kings, and Jamorin means sea kings. In 1499, Vasco da Gama returns. 1500, Pedros Alvarez Cabral came to India. 1502, Vasco da Gama back to India and brought more ships to India. Vasco da Gama set up trade center at Calicut, Kochi, Kannauр. Before Goa, Kochi, before Goa, Kochi was the capital of Portuguese. Portuguese of the governors, Francisco de Almeida. These are the Portuguese governors in the India, and the first Portuguese governor was Francisco de Almeida in 1505. First Portuguese governors in 509. He defeated Egypt, Turkey, Gujarat alliance near Diu. There is a alliance between Egypt, Turkey, and the Gujarat alliance, and who fought against the Francisco de Almeida, and the Francisco de Almeida defeated Egypt, Turkey, and the Gujarat alliance. And the second Portuguese governor was the Alfonso de Albuquerque, such type of pronunciations, Alfonso de Albuquerque, 1509. In 1510, he defeated Adil Shah, Bijapur, and the captured Goa. Carthage, that is a Portuguese established custom station in the Indian Ocean, that is called the Carthage. Carthage was a document type of letter protections by which Asian ships got protection from the Portuguese attack. If any traders following through the route of the Indian Ocean, then he got a protection letters from the Portuguese. See, Carthage is a type of document which got from the Portuguese officials to get protection from the Portuguese attack. That is called the Carthage. And the threefold Portuguese grand scheme of, there are three type of fold Portuguese grants. ठीक है. First, combating Islam, spreading Christianity. These are the scheme of the Portuguese. Three scheme of the Portuguese. First one is the combating Islam, spreading Christianity. Second one is securing trade of spices, and the third one is the establishment of the Portuguese Empire. He persuaded Muslim and encouraged the Portuguese to marriage with local women, and he got title of a military genius, siege of the east line of the seas, the Portuguese, the great terrible, Duke of the Goa. These are the title of the Portuguese. First one is the military genius, second one is the siege of the east, third one is the lions of the seas, fourth one is the Portuguese, fifth one is the great terrible, and the fifth one is the Duke of the Goa. Now let us go further to fourth. I think this one second, third Portuguese governor was Nino da Cunha. Nino da Cunha became the governor of the Portugal in the 1529, and he shifted headquarters from Cochin to Goa. Please keep in mind that the Nino da Cunha was the Portuguese governor who shifted their headquarters from Cochin to Goa, and this is the very important question from the preliminary point of the view, for the UPSC and the state PCS examinations. And Nino da Cunha captured the Baxi and named its Bashin, a Portuguese word, from Muslim ruler of Gujarat, Bahadur Shah. Nino da Cunha captured Baxi and the Bashin from Muslim ruler of Gujarat, and that Muslim ruler of that name of Muslim ruler of Gujarat is the Bahadur Shah. And the last one is the Martin Alfonso de Souza. Martin Alfonso de Souza. In 1542, he became the governor of the Portuguese in the Indians. Famous Christian Saint Francisco Xavier came to Goa. First Christian missionaries came to India were Portuguese, and they landed at the Goa. Please keep in mind the famous Christian saint name is Francisco Xavier came to Goa, in where the Portuguese they landed. His relics, that means sharir ka avshesh. Relics are kept in the silver casket elevated inside the Bom Jesus Basilica church. There is a church, name is Mom Jesus Basilica. In the church, the relics, his relics are kept in the silver casket elevated. Now the settlement in the India, the Portuguese settlement in the India in different sectors like west coast. In the west coast, the Portuguese settlement where the Kochi, first one west coast, Kochi, Goa, Diu, Daman, Chaul, Sasti. These are the six places where the Portuguese has been settled on the west coast. And the east coast, Sant Thome, that is in the Madras, Hooghly, and the Chattagam in the Bengal. Decline of the Portuguese. Why Portuguese had been declined? First one is the competition with the other European powers, because the other European powers has had been emerged at the times. And the in 1631, means 1631, Qasim Khan Mughals, that is Qasim Khan is a Mughal emperor, conquered Hooghly. And in 1661, Bombay was given to British Princess Charles as a dowry by the Portuguese. Bombay was given to the British Prince Charles as a dowry by the Portuguese, because Charles married Princess Catherine of the Portuguese. And in 1739, Maratha conquered Shasti and the Vasai. And as a result, Portuguese were left only with the Goa, Daman, and Diu till 1961. Finally, result has came, and the Portuguese were left only with the Goa, Daman, Diu till 1961. What is the reason behind the declination of the Portuguese? And the first and the foremost reason, last but not least, that is first reason of the Portuguese declination is the emergence of powerful dynasties. Second one is the Maratha captured Salsette and the Basin in 1739. Their religious policies, dishonest trade practices, discovery of Brazil led to the attention of Portuguese towards Brazil as a new region for the trade, because Brazil has been discovered that time, and the Portuguese attention towards the Brazil as a new region for the trades. There is a region for the trades, and that must attention goes to the Brazil side. And the sea route no more sacred, and now the sea route is having no sacred for the anyone, and the Goa lost their importance. What is the significance, importance of the Portuguese? What we get from the Portuguese in the Indian context? The first emergence of naval power. There is a emergence of naval power. Second one is the system of drilling group of infantry. Infantry group has been emerged. Improved technique of the seas. Multi-deck ships has been manufactured. Tobacco cultivation had been started. And in 1556, India's first printing press established in Goa. And please keep in mind, 1556, Indian first printing press established in Goa. And in same 1556, first book on the Indian medicine, Garcia La Orta, was published. Please keep in mind. And thus the Portuguese arrival, their significance, their declination has been covered. Please watch this video again and again to cover up all the important points as for the mains exam point of view. And this is the, I think this is the good materials for the mains writing. Please keep watching my channels, and please comments what you feel after watching my videos. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for you.